Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do my Easter room tour for 2025. Sorry for the delay on videos, but I'm back. So yeah, let's get started. So first we have my Happy Easter door sign. And then coming over here on my vanity, we have this little Happy Spring, cute little duck, little bird, Happy Easter, some eggs, this little bunny. We have this little chick right here. Here's my bed. We have some little bunnies on a blanket, my carrot blanket, carrot pillow, some Easter related stuffed animals. There's the bed. And then coming over here to the vanity, we have this little Easter little bucket thing full of eggs, my little R, some bunny lip balms, this little Febreze, some candles, my Happy Easter mug, and back here we have this little bunny, as well as my little bunny ears, and then a little carrot back there as well to pop it. And yeah, some more things over here. Happy Easter. Here's a quick little overview. And yeah, guys, that is all for the room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.